Come test drive the 2026 Corsair. The Lincoln Corsair looks the part with an elegantly designed exterior. High-end interior features and technology are coupled with the functionality that you expect from a compact SUV. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, Bluetooth, trip computer, cargo area protector, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, compass. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.